Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add a payment method on Redbubble in 2025 so that you can get paid for your designs. So whether you are just starting out or updating your information, here is exactly what you need to do. First of all, you need to come on redbubble.com and you need to sign in into your account using your artist account. Then hover over to the top and click on your profile icon and go to your account settings. Now once you are in your account settings, you will see the edit payment details option in the left hand section. So you need to just simply click on it. Over here you need to provide your first name, your last name, you need to provide your email address, then select your residential address here. If your postal address is also same, you just have to check this box. If it is different, you will have to uncheck it and provide your postal address details. Now if you scroll down again, you will see the getting paid section where if it is ask you I want to get paid in, so click on this option and here you can select the currency. So most of you will wanted to get the payment in the form of USD, so you need to select that. So after selecting your currency, you can deposit or get the money via PayPal or your bank transfers. So if you want to select the option 1, you need to simply click on that, click on the verify PayPal account option, provide your PayPal credentials like the email address and password, and you need to basically connect your PayPal account with your Redbubble account. Afterwards, you need to provide your phone details and then you need to click on the save changes option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So this is how you can basically select your payment method. After adding the payment method, you will also get the option of adding the minimum threshold limit. So this is how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.